If you want to share out this form with the public, then one way to do so is to share out public links. And to do that, you need to click on the send button. And over here, you can see send via as an option. So you need to go around and click on the link button right here. So you get the Google Form link, which you can copy around, and other people will be able to go to this particular form right here, and they will be able to access and fill out the form. Besides this, you can see that shorten URL is an option as well. So the URL generated by default is long, as you can see, but if I were to click on shorten URL, then what happens is that you get a shorter version of the URL, which is easier to copy. So you can go around, so other people, they will be able to paste and go to the exact same form again, and they'll be able to fill out the form. So I'm just going to go around, and then I'm going to fill out the form right here. So just type in my email address just like this, and let me select no and submit right here. So from that link as well, they will be able to submit out the form, and the response will be collected over here. So that is how you can share form link so that other people will be able to open up that link and fill out the data inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.